Hello, dear students. Welcome back to Class 9 Chemistry, Chapter 1 Language of Chemistry, Part 3. In this class, we are going to know how to determine the molecular mass of a compound. Molecular mass of a compound is calculated by adding together the relative atomic masses of all the different atoms present in the molecule. Different elements have different atomic masses which determine the molecular mass of the compound. In order to calculate the molecular mass of a compound, one should know the atomic mass of some important elements which enable us to determine the molecular mass of the compound. So, we must know the atomic masses of at least some elements. For your understanding, now I am going to give you atomic mass of some elements for your memory. Please learn it by heart. The atomic mass of 17 elements given below. These elements are very important in order to calculate the atomic mass of the element and molecular mass of the compound. Number 1, hydrogen atomic mass is 1. Number 2, carbon atomic mass is 12. Similarly, nitrogen 14, oxygen 16, sodium 23, magnesium 24, aluminium 27, sulfur 32, chlorine 35.5, potassium 39, calcium 40, manganese 55. So what are these numbers imply? Usually atomic mass of every element is measured in terms of AMU, which stands for atomic mass unit. Usually every measurement has got a unit. Every measurement got a unit. Similarly, here atomic mass of an element is measured in terms of AMU. As I told you, these numbers, atomic mass of each element implies that particular number with AMU. As I told you, the first element hydrogen 1, that implies hydrogen 1 AMU. Similarly, carbon 12 AMU, and it goes on. Iron atomic mass unit is 56. Copper 63.5 AMU. Zinc 65 AMU. Silver 108. Lead 207. Dear students, you please remember at least these 17 elements atomic mass which come frequently to calculate the molecular mass of compounds. Now let us take some examples in order to explain you briefly about molecular mass of any compound. Example number 1, calculate the molecular mass of nitric acid whose formula is HNO3. Here the solution. Observe, dear students, the molecular mass of nitric acid, as I told, HNO3, contains one hydrogen atom, one nitrogen atom, and 3 oxygen atoms. So, one hydrogen atom, atomic mass is 1, plus one nitrogen atom, atomic mass is 14, plus 3 atoms of oxygen, 3 into 16 because 16 implies atomic mass of oxygen. Therefore, 1 plus 14 plus 48 whose sum makes 63 AMU. Therefore, we can say the molecular mass of nitric acid is 63 AMU. Let me cite you another example how to calculate the molecular mass of potassium chlorate. Here potassium chlorate formula is KClO3. So how to solve this molecular mass of the compound KClO3? In potassium chlorate, the number of atoms we can understand 1K plus 1Cl plus 3 atoms of oxygen. As per the atomic mass of each element, 1K 39, 1 chlorine 35.5 plus 3 atoms of oxygen 3 into 16. Therefore, 39 plus 35.5 plus 48. Altogether, the sum of all the atoms of the given compound KClO3 is equal to 122.5 AMU. So, dear students, this is the way of calculating the molecular mass of any compound. So, in order to make you a clear understanding, let me teach you one more example. How to calculate the molecular mass of magnesium chloride. First of all, you should know the formula of a given compound. If the compound is given in words, you have to learn the formula first. Magnesium chloride formula is MgCl2. That implies one molecule of magnesium chloride contains one magnesium atom and two atoms of chlorine. Therefore, one molecule of magnesium chloride contains 1 Mg plus 2 Cl. So, magnesium atomic weight is 24 plus atomic weight of chlorine is 35.5. Since chlorine has two atoms here, therefore 24 plus 2 into 35.5 equal to 24 plus 71, which sums up 95 AMU. Therefore, molecular mass of magnesium chloride is 95 AMU. I hope these three examples are clear to you, and with these examples which you have learned, I would like to give you some formulas in order to assess yourself the molecular mass of the compounds. So, dear students, here is the assignment for you. Please practice yourself. Determine the molecular mass of the following. Number 1, magnesium nitrate. Formula I am telling you, MgNO3 whole 2. Number 2, ammonia, NH3. Calcium nitride, Ca3N2. Number 4, sodium carbonate, Na2CO3. Number 5, zinc sulfate, ZnSO4. Finally, sixth compound is ferrous chloride, whose formula is FeCl2. Dear students, please practice so that you can do it clearly whenever you come across with these formulas. I hope you understood clearly the calculation of molecular mass of the compounds. Thank you, dear students, for watching this video.